Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are gonna be working on my little brother's car. So I've been taking the time over the last couple of months to try to teach my brother how to do more mechanical stuff. And I think this is an awesome project so that we can laugh at him while he works on it. And don't get me wrong, I'm gonna assist him, but I think that it's gonna be worthwhile to watch and we're gonna be able to make fun of him in the comments down below. So we can't be too mean to him because I gotta give him credit. It's a great thing that he's working on it himself and it's a great thing that he wants to learn on this. So yes guys, today we are doing a CV axle and a CV seal on a 2013 Ford Escape. On a side note, I want to let you guys know you might be noticing there's some changes going around in the shop here. We're testing out some flooring. We're actually going to remove all of this stuff that you see here behind me, and we're going to get this building empty because we got something absolutely wild coming to the channel. And I can't give out too much information right now, but believe me, you are going to want to stay tuned to this because all of this that you see behind you here is about to change for the better. You look very majestic from this angle, Roc. All right, you ready to pull your car in and start ripping it apart?
It's time to rip it apart.
All right, let's do it. It's cold out. Let's get this thing inside the shop and close the door. Good. So I told him that you were a little bit over on your oil change.
A little bit.
And we noticed that it had a little bit of a leaky leak.
A leaky leak.
And I'm proud that
It's
you've been
pissing fluid.
I'm proud that you've been working on your own car more lately, and I want to support you with that. So today we're going to have you do it, and I'll show you pretty much how to walk through fixing your own car.
Sure, let's do it.
So safety first, always chock the wheels, front and back. You're not a seasoned mechanic yet, though. You don't have the official stance going on. You're supposed to know the stance is to cross the leg. There you go. Okay, now lower it down slowly.
How do I do that?
First one there, the arm, just slowly lower it down. Go slow. No, you're pushing.
So pull?
No, you're pushing. Slow.
Oh, I got you.
This is your safety reminder, Roc. If you fall here, we just bury you in the backyard.
That's fine.
You've been warned.
Cool.
So first rookie mistake, you forgot your key, didn't you?
Forgot the key. Forgot the key.
So far we've got it jacked up. We got wheel chocks. We have a jack there and a jack stand, so we're being safe.
Nice. It's pissing all over me. Is that normal? This thing sucks.
Good job.
Nice.
All right, do you know what any of this stuff is? Name 3 components for $1.
Brake pad.
Good.
Okay. You're gonna guess the word rotor.
Ah, good.
Um,
One more.
CV axle.
Oh, man wins himself $1 on garage trivia.
We took out the weirdest size bolt from a place I don't know how to articulate. It was a pain in the ass.
Ah, look how good I am. I'm exactly the size.
Massive.
That's massive. That's what she said.
Massive.
You're learning so quickly.
Nice.
Good man. And sometimes these don't like to go anywhere, so we can give this a little bit of a love tap. So you're gonna want to find yourself a mallet.
Mallet?
Yeah, no, that's a little baby hammer. Yeah, but no.
Mallet.
That's a rubber mallet. You're gonna hit it with your purse. Grab the metal one, the steel one. That's the one.
Me mallet.
Now you're learning. Just give that a little bit of a love tap. Good. That's enough. That's enough just to kind of let it know who's boss and make sure how bad this job is gonna suck. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So what you need to do next, first of all, do you want gloves, by the way? I realize I'm wearing gloves and I'm not doing any of the work, but you're doing all the work and you have no gloves. You breaking into being a man finally?
Fantastic.
You gotta find leverage somewhere. All right, hold on a second. Let me look this on. Pull that bar out for 1 second.
Okay.
That's how it's done, brother.
We did it.
That's how it goes.
I didn't even see it.
I wasn't supposed to be helping him with this, but the reality is now what we did, we popped the lower ball joint loose, which is the hardest part of this job. Careful, don't put yourself in a dangerous spot yet. Next thing we need to do is we need to get the CV axle above that. So we're gonna pull down on this, pull that just up and over. There we go, beautiful. So now it's out of our way. Put that in here. And now lift up on that axle to pull it out.
Okay, I feel it almost like connected to something.
What?
Feels almost connected to something.
No, now you just gotta man it out. I popped it loose for you. Pop that around a little bit. Take your hand off of that one and show them how floppy it is. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that floppy, Dick. So, we were 100% correct. Look, if you can see, there's no oil up top. All your oil is coming from there. Yeah, but you see how, like, it's totally dry up top?
Yeah.
So, we were correct. That means, here's your old seal out. Okay, and there's wipers inside. And the wipers go bad. This is an original Ford seal. I don't know if anybody can see there, but you can show them in the light here. It actually says Ford on it right there. But that is your original seal.
How do I know it went bad?
So, how do you know that it went bad?
Other than it started pissing.
It was leaking. How does he know it went bad? That's like going to the doctor and saying, how do I know that my foot is hurting really bad? Well, because you're limped when you came in, dumbass. So here's the new seal. Your new seal is right here. Open it up. Let's make sure it's the same one. Always want to compare before you go to throw them in that it's correct.
Oh, well, that makes sense.
All right, show them what's wrong.
I should have slept with the parts guy.
Yeah.
They're not the same size.
Nope. Spray it with brake clean so we can bring it with us, and let's pray that they have one. Otherwise, you're walking home tonight. Actually, you know, I'll be nice. You want to take the Huracan, you want to take the Viper. It's cold outside. You don't need a roof on the Viper. You want to take the Model T? Come on, you got options, dude. This is what it's really like being a mechanic. Sitting around on the phone with AutoZone, checking numbers on seals, only to find out if they have your parts or not.
All right, sir, I do have it here.
Oh, you do have it in stock. Awesome.
Yep.
Cool. Can you put it aside and I'm on my way to come get it? They actually had it. That doesn't happen very often. To the truck. Let's do it. Two. Ah, man's learning. Here, take this so it doesn't get in the truck and get all nasty. I don't remember what his name was.
Right?
I think you're right.
What I got. Looks right this time.
Just glad you guys were open.
Yeah.
Perfection. We are successful.
Always the damn scene.
It's really kind of weird filming out in public in places, and I'm trying to get more comfortable with it, but it's definitely strange. I feel kind of like a douche. Truck looks good. Sounds good with my Flash Shark Racing exhaust. Now food, most important part. Food. Ooh, it is a little bit chilly in here, actually. Did we turn the heat off? Man comes over, uses my tools, uses my heat in my shop. All right, we got the right part. We're gonna put it in this time and get this done. Thank God it didn't fall off the lift while we were gone. All right, we got the CV axle in. Put the nut on the front of it. We are reusing the factory one. So I'm teaching them how to use a torque wrench at the moment. We just went through the process of torquing it. It's actually 61 foot-pounds for the bottom ball joint. And I'm giving them a demonstration on how to use a click type standard twist torque wrench. So
that's 61?
That's 61. Yep.
Nice. Cool.
So really not too difficult, right?
No.
So now we're gonna find out what the torque spec is for the axle nut. We'll do the axle nut next. But what we're gonna do?
Always better.
That's what she said. a lot of comments in this video. So all right, we're gonna be torquing this down to 59 foot-pounds and then plus 90 degrees. Okay, hold on, no, relax. It beeps. We'll go slow with it. Okay, that's 59. No, what are you doing?
That's 61.
Yeah, it beeped. It said 59. You were going ham on it. Not that much torque. All right, so hold on a second. Now we're going to do 90 degrees. So here's a little trick I'm going to teach you.
Yep.
So you're going to take a marker. See where that marker is now?
Yeah.
So think about it. 180 would be to here.
Yep.
Right? 360 would be to here. Turn it 90. Good job.
Right there.
Yep.
That's 90 degrees.
You're close enough.
Woo!
What was the dealer going to charge you for this?
$850.
And what did they end up getting it done for?
A couple hundred.
Like 225, 200?
Yeah, something like that.
That was with buying parts and
And
fluid.
a cheeseburger.
And a cheeseburger, yep. Now top corner. Is done. We have now gone ahead and just did about 10 miles on the car because it said that we need to get it warm before we check this fluid level. He's a master mechanic. Finding the hood prop bar. Oh, he's even, look at the man go. I've told him well. I have never been more proud of you than this moment right here. He has got the mechanic stance down. How do you feel? Do you feel good?
I feel fantastic.
I'm glad. How much you save?
I say $650.
Yeah, until you get my bill.
And some of my sanity.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for today. Unfortunately, the camera is about to die, so I'm going to say thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the video. This was just a cool bonding experience for me and my brother. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this kind of stuff? Do you like seeing what we have going on behind the scenes, or do you only want to see like the supercar content and the muscle car content? If you want to see more stuff like this, where we just kind of do daily stuff and I show you how to do brakes, and when I say I show you, it's really me explaining it to him and him doing all the work. But let me know if that's something you want to see. But no matter what, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the channel. We got big updates coming to everything that you see here, so make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already done it, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.